Hi guys, today I will show you. Hello? What are you doing here? Oh, sorry. I just want to ask you, is it too late to start YouTube? That's a good question. I want to be famous. Let's talk about this. What do you think? So guys, today we'll talk about, is it too late to start YouTube? And we'll start right now. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about to help you how to grow your audience and channel. If you're first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything next time. If you think about this, is it too late to start YouTube right now? Or what is the best time to start YouTube? Answer is now. If you already start YouTube at 2005 or 2010, it's much better. But if you're starting now and concerned, is it too late? No, it's not too late. Start now. But before you start YouTube, always keep in mind these things. Be a positive, believe in your climb, believe in your success. Failure is not an option. When I start YouTube at 2010, I had the same question. Is it too late, or can I be successful on YouTube? Guys, I didn't believe in myself this time. But from 2010 to 2016, I watched lots of videos, how to succeed, how to start YouTube, what I should do, and so many things about YouTube. Then 2016, and today, every day I get 5 to 10 subscribers. These new people, I don't even know where they come from. Nobody sent him to me, like SHOUTOUT or something like that. They found me on YouTube search or Google search. They found my content, they found my videos, and they just came, like my video, like my content, and subscribe. Because they don't want to miss anything next time, just like I said. So if you're still concerned about this, what I'm talking about, please check my video, Basic of YouTube. Start with that. And also, you can find all my video tips, how to grow on YouTube channel, on description below. As I said on one video before, keep learning on YouTube. Also this video you can find on the description below. So guys, don't be concerned about that. Is it too late to start YouTube or not? No, it's not. Start right now in 2018. Thank you so much for watching this video. And again, if you're first time on this video, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything next time. See you soon.